going to subtract 12 and then divide by 12. 60 divided by 12 is 48. Divided by 12 should be b is greater than or equal to 4. All right, fine. I see that I'm presenting. Let's see. B is greater than or equal to 4. Make sure you graph it. B is greater than or equal to 4. Look at this. Whoever did this, right? You subtract 12. This is very awesome. Then divide by 12 and you get 4. The 4 is, look, oh, baby Yoda. Oh, I love baby Yoda. B is greater than or equal to 4. 36. I'm not sure how you got that. But you got, let's make sure we know how to graph it too. So I'm writing it on the board. Hopefully this will work. This is an easier one, so I'm going to not spend too much time on it. 12b plus 12 greater than or equal to 60. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do this on the board. And here I am. Hopefully you can see this. Let's see. Devin, can you see my board? Can you see this okay before I get started?
Yeah, I can.
All right, cool. I'm going to subtract 12 on both sides. Right, get rid of this 12 for, right, I want to get b by itself. I have a 12 and I divide. This is, look at 12 times b. A lot of you don't know what that is, even though I ask you a million times, say a million times. This is 12 times b plus 12 is greater than or equal to 60. So I subtract 12. 60 minus 12 is 48. Bring my sign down. That goes away. Now my 12 times b. 12 times b. 12 times b. Angelina Rodriguez, what's the 12 doing to the b?
You gotta divide it?
Yeah, the 12 is multiplying, so we divide. And 48 divided by 12 is 4. B is greater than or equal to 4. So my 4, it's a closed circle, and it goes in that direction. So make sure you have that. There, boom, done. Are there any questions? I'm going to move on to the next problem. Okay, next question on the Pear Deck. Let's take a look. So anyway, I'm at the Pear Deck. There's the answer. Okay, now we're getting a little bit tougher. Okay, a little bit tougher. Go ahead and solve that one on the Pear Deck. Let's see. I'll go back on the board here. I'm going to erase this in 10 seconds. This one here. Some of yours are on the Pear Deck. If you need this, let me know because I'm going to erase it in 10 seconds. See all those pretty flowers? Now these just like my ugly math handwriting there. You know, it's like, what the heck? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So try to solve these on your own. You know what I mean, homies? Now look, 35. This one is a problem. A little bit more challenging because the r, the variable, is on the right side. 5 times r plus 4. 5 times r plus 4. 35 is less than 5 times r plus 4, right? 35 is less than 5, nothing in between. What's the 5 doing to the parentheses, right? Right? Nothing. 35 is less than 5 times r plus 4. 35 is less than 5 times r plus 4. What's the 5 doing to the parentheses? Right? What is the 5 doing the parentheses? Rosie Sorato. You guys turn your cameras on because I don't even know if you're there or not. Rosie, what's this? What's the 5 doing to the parentheses?
I'm sorry, what?
See, that's what I say. I know you guys got to be paying attention to this. What is the 5 doing to the parentheses? Guys, turn your cameras on. Angelina Rodriguez, turn your camera on. David Guzman, get your camera. I know you can do it. Alberto, turn your camera on. Naomi.
It's on.
Huh? It is not on, Alberto. Look, I'll show you. Should I show you what I see? I see a big A. But I'm talking to Rosie right now. Rosie, what's the 5 doing to the parentheses?
You multiply what's on the inside.
Yeah, the 5 is multiplying, right? And so to get rid of it, we divide. So you're right. Rosie's right. So go ahead and start solving for that. Okay, you guys try start solving for that. Devin, turn your camera on. Naomi, turn your camera on. Leilani, turn your camera on. Alberto. Alberto, let me show you what you look like. You think your camera's on? Maybe.
Yeah.
Let me ask Daniel Mejia. Daniel Mejia, are you there? Daniel, see. Daniel, can you see Alberto or do you see a big A?
I have my camera on. I don't know if it's.
I know. We're trying to figure this out. I'm asking Daniel what he sees. Daniel Mejia, what do you see in Alberto? I'll show you what you look like to me, Alberto. A big A. See, that's right. That's me. I'm Big A. People call me Big A. Look at this. Alberto, see what you look like? I know you can't help it, but do you see yourself? Look at that. You're a Big A. Big A,
Yeah.
Alberto. Look at that. That's you. Very handsome, though. Anyway, that's what I see.
Oh, well, why don't
But
you?
you're here. You're talking to me. Don't worry about it, okay?
Okay.
Just we'll worry about that later. We'll worry about the math. I just want to make sure you're paying attention.
Okay.
That's the main thing. All right. So let's take a look at what your guys' answers are here. You guys are solving this as we go. Oh my gosh. Look at how handsome he is. Oh my goodness. Okay, but I got to move on. I can't just stare at Harry Styles all day. I think it's 3. 3 is less than R. That looks right. And R is greater than 3. This is a very good answer here. See, they put the R on the left side. And remember, the mouth faces the R when you flip it. Okay, we got a 3 here. You have it on 4. But 3 is less than R. See, now this is harder to do. Which way does the graph go? It's harder to tell with this, but this person has it right. R is greater than 3, except this needs to be under a 3. 3 is less than R. Okay, you're doing this is good. You guys are all solving it right. The question is, what does the graph do? And it's this. This is right. This is correct right here. R is greater than 3. Yep, that's right. 3 is less than R. These are the same things, but it's easier to see the R on the left. So you guys are doing awesome. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to try to solve this real quick. Looks like most of you got it, but I'm going to solve it very quickly. So I have a 5 and a plus 4, right? I need to solve for R. Let's get rid the 5 is furthest away. Remember, it's 5 times R plus 4. So to get rid of the 5, the opposite of multiplication is division. 35 divided by 5 is 7, less than. Now this goes away and I have the R plus 4. Now I take away 4 on both sides. You go to the board, add 4, subtract 4. And I get 3 is less than R. Now, I like the R being on the left. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the R here and the 3 here. Now you have to be very careful to make sure which way does the sign face. Look at the mouth is facing the R. Elias Ortega just showed up. The mouth is facing the R, right? So you want to do that. If you flip it around, make sure the mouth faces the R, and that is your answer. And now it's easier to see which way the number line goes, which a lot of you had. 3, open circle, that direction, and that's all you got to do. Elias, sorry about I'm late. I don't know if you knew what the issue was, but I started late, so we have a pair deck right there. Boom, you're in, Elias Ortega. Or did you just come in and come off again? I don't know. I just saw you join us. I think Elias, right? Are you here? Were you here and then did you go? I don't know what happened. Anyway, there's the pair deck. There's the answer. Sorry, guys. There you go. Remember, next week we have a weird schedule. Remember that weird schedule? If you need me to show it to you again, I will at the end of class. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We got to get to harder stuff here. Okay, there's the answer. R is greater than or equal. Now, your test is going to have it in this form, right? Just so you know. Wait, am I presenting? I don't know if I'm presenting. Now, the test is going to look like this. So guess what? I guarantee the test is going to write this as one of your answers. If you see a problem like this, this would be, some of you might do this because you might put the sign the wrong way, and you'll put this instead of that. Okay, so make sure you know, have the sign facing the right way. I made a tricky test because I'm tricky. This scene rock around, that's right on time, that's right on time. It's tricky. Tricky, 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 tricky. Run DMC. Leilani Mendoza, have you ever heard of Run DMC before?
No.
Oh, they're amazing. Original rap. Well, they're not original, but they're like in the 80s. It's rock around. Maybe I should play some Run DMC for you guys. Do you like rap, Leilani?
Not really. But I'll
Oh.
listen to anything except
Okay.
country.
All right. Except country. You know what? There are some good country. I bet I could get. I'm not a country music person either, but I bet I can find some good country Garth Brooks songs. Garth Brooks is amazing. Okay, here we go. Here's a mother. Look at this, guys. Okay, let's solve this one. This is a mother, but it's not really a mother. It's actually pretty easy if you do the first step. Let's write it out and do it step by step. Those of you who want to go ahead and solve it, you can. Try solving this on your own, right? Try solving it on your own. Okay, I have it written down. You guys going to solve. Actually, while you're solving it, I'm going to take Rolly Roll. Okay, I'm going to take Rolly Roll. So let's get on the Rolly Roll. Elias Ortega. It's Elias Ortega. You there, Elias? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Did you just join or not? I can't tell.
Yeah, I just joined.
Okay, did you get the Pear Deck thing?
No.
Do you know today's a minimum day, right?
Today's minimum day?
Minimum day. So class started at 9:38.
Really?
Yeah. It's okay. You're cool, though. There's the Pear Deck. Stay after class, and I'll give you the schedule so you know because this class is going to be end in about 20 minutes.
Okay.
But we're going over the test. All right, here we go. Crystal Ayampatakal. Rosie Balderas. Antonio Cervantes.
Here.
Edith Che Borges. Sherlyn Coronado. Naomi Cortez.
Here.
Abigail Gonzalez Villegas.
Here.
Octavio Guerra.
Here.
David Guzman. Alberto Juarez Arenas.
Here.
Angelina Liu. Crystal Magallanes.
Here.
Daniel Mejia. Edgar Mejia. Leilani Mendoza.
Here.
Jose Mina. Noel Munoz.
Here.
And that didn't sound like you, Noel, but I think is that your cousin? Noel, are you there?
Yeah.
All right. Elias Ortega.
Here.
Angelina Rodriguez.
Here.
Austin Rodriguez. Nicholas Rodriguez.
Here.
Olivia Sandoval. Rosie Serrato. Devin Solis. Italia Solorio. Leitali Tuatama.
Here.
Andy Timamate. Quinlan Wilson. Leilani Zavala.
Here.
Okay, a lot of you absent. And Austin just joined us. Okay, Austin is here. Austin thought class started at 10:08 too. Okay. Here we go again. Here's who I have absent. Crystal Ayampatakal, Rosie Balderas, Edith Che Borges, Sherlyn Coronado, David Guzman, Angelina Liu, Daniel Mejia, Edgar Mejia, Jose Mina, Austin Rodriguez, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Serrato, Devin Solis, Italia Solorio, Andy Tumamate, Quinlan Wilson. Crystal, are you there? Rosa Balderas? Edith Che Borges? Sherlyn Coronado? David Guzman? No, you're there, David. David, where are you? Angelina Liu? Daniel Mejia?
Daniel said
I'm
he's
here.
here.
Daniel's here, got it. Edgar Mejia? Jose Mina? Austin Rodriguez? Austin, you just joined us. Austin, talk to me. Olivia Sandoval? Rosie Sorato?
Here.
Devin Solis?
Here.
Who's that? Devin?
Yeah.
Andy Tumamate? Quinlan Wilson? Someone just joined us. Austin, are you there? Austin, talk to me. Oh, look it. Everyone's joining us. Edgar, Quinlan, Italia. Look at this. People think the class starts now. This what a weird day, huh? Right? Right, Crystal? Were you here the whole time, Crystal? Crystal Magallanes?
Yeah, I was here.
Yeah, isn't it weird how all these people are starting late? They're coming here late.
Yeah.
It's just a weird day because it's a weird schedule, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
With the internet down and stuff. Okay, listen, I've been doing roll. You guys who just joined us, class started at 9:38, and even I started late. But 9:38, not 10:08. Today's a minimum day. Like 5 of you just joined. I can't remember who. I'm doing roll again, okay? Hey, if you're late, you guys got to stay after so I can let you know when the next class starts. It's a minimum day schedule. Okay, real quick. Here's who I have absent again. I'm saying it again. There's a lot of you. Crystal Ayampatakal, Rosa Balderas, Edith Che Borges, Sherlyn Coronado, David Guzman, Angelina Liu, Edgar Mejia, Jose Mina, Austin Rodriguez, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Sorato, Italia Solorio, Andy Tumamate, Quinlan Wilson. Those are people are all absent. Say your name if you're here. Who's here that I said was absent? Say your name.
Edgar's here.
Edgar, all right. Edgar, you know class started at 9:38 today?
Yeah, but
Okay,
I went
go
to school. I went to school and the Wi-Fi was down.
Yeah, okay, cool. I know. What a weird day. I went too. So you just got home. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
Okay, who else is here that I said was late?
Rosie's here. I was here on time then.
Okay, gotcha, Rosie. Rosie, gotcha. Anyone else? Who else is here that I said was absent? All right. Angelina. Angelina probably did the same thing. She probably just came home. Hey, Edgar, here's the pair deck we're doing, okay?
Yeah.
Got it? Angelina Liu, are you here? I saw you, Angelina. Okay, here's how I've absent again. Chris Ayampatakal, Edith Che Borges, Sherlyn Coronado, David Guzman, Angelina Liu, Jose Mina, Austin Rodriguez, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Sorato, Italia Solorio, Andy Tumamate, and Quinlan Wilson. Are any of those people here?
I'm here. Austin Rodriguez.
Austin, I saw you come in. Austin, okay. Did you get the pair deck, Austin?
No, I haven't yet.
I put it in the chat. Maybe you
I
just
just joined right now.
joined earlier. Were you having trouble logging on?
Yeah.
Okay, here it is again. All right. Yeah, see, Angelina's trying to join us too. All right, anyway, we're gonna keep going. You see Angelina trying to join us. All right, let's work on this problem here, okay? Okay, so can you guys see the board here? Noel, can you see the board here? No, Noel, turn your camera on. I don't even know if you're there.
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Angelina, stay after class because I marked you absent. Did you get the pair deck, Angelina? Log into that pair deck. Okay, this is the problem we're going to do. Okay, you can say, thank you, Noel. So this looks kind of hard, but it's really not that hard because I can combine. On this side of the equal sign, I can combine these. 18x take away 8x. How many x's do you got? Well, 18 take away 8 is 10x. No problem. Put the 4 here. And then I can also combine this. On this side of the equal sign, just combine those. 13 plus 21, they're on the same side. 13 plus 21 is 34. 34. And now look at that. Boom. Such an easier equation to solve. Right? Did you guys get that? And then, all right, what do I do next? Italia, what do I do next here?
Sorry, I'm focused on my cousin right now.
Okay, can you tell me, can you focus on this or no?
Yeah.
Tell me what to- no, just tell me what to do next, if you can. If you can, I'll go on to someone else.
I can't.
Okay. You want me to go to someone else?
Yes,
Natalia?
please. Yes,
Okay.
please.
All right. Let's go with Nicholas. What do I do next? Help Italia out here.
Subtract 4 on both sides.
All right. See that, Italia? I don't know if you can read that. But you want to get rid of the 4, so we subtract 4 on both sides. Very good, Nicholas. 34 minus 4 is 30. What do I need to do to solve this now? Leitali, what do I need to do here to solve for this?
Divide both sides by 10.
Nice. And x is greater than 10 divided by 30 divided by 10 is 3. Boom, 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 boom. Daniel, was that too fast? Daniel Mejia? Daniel Mejia, are you alive? Are
Yeah,
you
I am.
alive, Daniel Mejia?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, cool. Did I go too fast?
No.
Okay. Oh my gosh, the freaking monkey. Sorry, guys. It was so calm at the school and everything like that, but now my freaking monkey, Lucas, just is just like, oh, get out of here, Lucas. Just be quiet. Oh my gosh. Oh. Because you have this pet monkey that just goes all over the place. I don't know how to handle him, man. Freaking monkey. Gosh darn it. Monkey, I love animals. Don't get me wrong. I love animals, but a monkey, it's a little bit too much. X is greater than or equal to 3. Can you guys see that in the pair deck? I'm on the pair deck now. Maybe I should present. Hey, put your hand up in front of your camera. I got that before you even solved it, Sensei. Solved that on my own so I could see. Okay. I only see like 2 hands. Okay. Or 3 hands. That's not good. If you need help, let me know. I'm trying to help you here. Doing the best that I can. But okay. Let's go to the next problemo. That means problem in Spanish. Okay. All right. Now here's another one. See, now these are getting a little bit more challenging here, okay? So I'm erasing this on my board. I'm just going to, because I'm moving on. I feel like we spent a lot of time on that one. You guys try to solve this on your own. Now remember, sometimes the answer does not come up with a number, all right? So I'm writing it out. Do the best that you can. Try to solve this. And then I will show you how to do it. Pretend this is a test question. You're like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this, right? You know what I mean? Pretend this is a test question. There it is. There's my test question. Can you solve this on your own? And can you guys ready for math 2 here? You know what I mean? There's my problem. Let me go over a roll again one more time. See what I have here. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go over roll here. This again. Here's who I have absent. Uh-oh. Okay, I have Crystal Ayampatakal, Edith Che Borges, Sherlyn Coronado, David Guzman, Angelina Liu, Jose Mina, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Sorato, Italia Solorito, Andy Tumamate, and Quinlan Wilson. Are any of those people here? Say your name. Who's that?
I'm here.
Wait, say your name.
Angelina Louis.
Angelina. Okay, who else?
David
I'm
Guzman.
here.
David Guzman. I knew it. Who else?
I'm here, Italia.
Italia. That's right, Italia. Italia, you're doing a good job taking care of your cousin. I think it's your cousin, right? That's a lot of work. If you need help, I'm recording this if you need to watch this later, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Rosie
Uh,
Serrano is here.
Okay. Who is there? Rosie Serrato?
Yeah.
Steve? Oh man. I'll get Steve. Actually, should I dress as Steve at work? Like at Oxnard High School? Start freaking all the teachers out?
You won't.
Oh, is that a dare, Edgar? I will. You think I'm chicken? I'll
You
do
won't.
it. Oh my gosh, is that a dare? Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh, Edgar, I don't fall for that. When people tell me that, it makes me want to do it less. Yeah, that's right, Edgar. I'm too chicken. I'm a chicken. I'm a little chicken. Buck. I'm not gonna be Steve. Oh, look at me. I'm a chicken. Shut up, Lucas. I'm trying to teach a class here. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do it, Edgar. I dressed up as Steve for Halloween, but I don't know. It'd be kind of weird. The teacher would just kind of look at me like I mean, they hear me in the classroom. Those who come, right? Angelina comes, and Noelle came, and Olivia comes. All the other teachers kind of look at me like I'm an annoying. They're probably happy I'm in my house because I bug them. I start yelling and stuff and pretending like I'm being electrocuted, and they shut their doors. The guy, you know what I mean? So I start acting like Steve. They're gonna be like, dude, who does he think he is? And I'll be all Steve from Blue's Clues. Okay. What do we get for an answer? No, actually they are fun. They don't mind. I shouldn't say that about the teachers. They're awesome. All those teachers. Miss Howells always jokes around with me. Miss Thomas, very patient. Miss Harduko. You guys might have Miss Howells next year. She's on Miss Harduko. Miss Thomas. They're all great teachers. All right. Does anyone have an answer here for this? Let's see. Anyone? Let's see. I'll just call someone out. Let's go with Angelina. Did you get an answer for this? Angelina Louis. Angelina Louis?
Not yet. I'm still working on it.
Angelina Rodriguez, did you get an answer?
I'm also still working on it.
Antonio Cervantes, did you get an answer?
Yeah, I got an answer.
All right, what'd you get, man?
No solution.
No solution. Very good. Antonio is 100% correct. Raise your hand if you got no solution so I can see if you got no solution. Raise your hand if you got no solution in front of the camera. I got no solution, Sensei. Okay, I only see like 3 hands from my perspective. Some of you don't even have your cameras, so I can't even tell. Okay, 4. Naomi had her hand up. David Guzman, Angelina Liu, Leilani Mendoza, Devin Solis, and Noel. I can't even tell because your cameras are completely off. How can I evaluate? All right, 5W minus 3. So here's how we solve this. First, because I can't divide by 5 on both sides, I'm going to have to multiply the 5 times everything in here. Remember, it's 5 times W and 5 times negative 3. 5 times W is 5W. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, less than or equal to 5W plus 20. Now, I have a W on the left and I have a W on the right. I don't want 2 W's on both sides of the inequality. I want to get rid of one of those 5 W's. But if I do get rid of whatever I do on the left, I have to do on the right. Which one should I get rid of? Which 5W? The one on the left or the right? Let's go with Devin. Which one should I get rid of? The one on the left or the right?
The one on the right.
Okay, let's get rid of the one on the right. Now, if he said the one, it doesn't matter. If he said the left, that's fine too. But Devin said let's get rid of the one on the right. So let's get rid of that one. So let's get rid of this one. At 5W's, well, then let's take away 5W's. But whatever I do on the right, take it away. We can take away 5W's over here. Take them away. That goes, and that goes. They end up disappearing. We have a negative 15 is less than or equal to 20. Now, a couple of things here. Is this true? Is it true? Is negative 15 less than 20? Yes. But is negative 15 also equal to 20? No. Because it's not true, guess what? It's never going to be true. And the answer is no solution. No solution. So it's not true. So we don't even draw a line. We write no solution. No solution. And you write no solution, foo, because why would they ask us such a question like that? Foo? Why would you do that? All right, let's take a look. I think I have one more, or maybe we're done. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Foo? All right. So the answer is, oh no, it's all real numbers. Here's a story of a, I'll take it back. All real numbers because negative 14, negative 15 is less than 20. Even though there's the equal sign, it is true. Negative 15 is less than or equal to 20. It's or, because it's or. I take it back because it's or. So Antonio, I led you in the wrong direction. It's going to be all real numbers because the wording is this. I take it back. Not foo. Sensei's the foo. Negative 15 is less than or equal to. It is less than 20, even though it's not equal to. It is less than. So you're going to say all real numbers. This is all real numbers because it is or, less than or equal to, not and equal to. It's all real numbers. I apologize. So hopefully I didn't confuse you on that. So those of you who raised your hand and said it was all real numbers, the answer is all real numbers. As long as it's less than, it's all real numbers. Remember that on the test. I hope I didn't confuse you with that. I said one thing, then I said the other. Okay. Daniel Mejia, did I confuse you with that, or are we good? Did I fix my mistake? I hope I didn't confuse you.
You're good.
Okay. I mean, let me know if I did. I'll try to explain it another way. Naomi Cortez, did I confuse you on that, or am I good? Do I need to re-explain it?
No, you're good. I understood it.
Okay, cool. And then let's go with Octavio. Did I confuse you, or are we good? Let me know.
No. I knew it was all real numbers the whole time.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. So should have had you be teaching the class. Thank you, Octavio. Appreciate it. All right, here we go. Boom. So that is all real numbers. All real numbers. No wonder. Oh, and that's the last question. So that's it. Let me do roll one more time. Let me get to the roll. Crystal, let's make sure because it's a lot. This is why I have absent. I have 8 of you absent now. Crystal Ayampatakal, Edith Che Borges, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Sorato, Andy Tuma-Mate, and Quinlan Wilson. All right, I thought I saw Quinlan jump in too. Are any of those people here? Crystal Ayampatakal, Edith Che Borges, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Sorato, Andy Tuma-Mate, and Quinlan Wilson. Are any of those people here?
I'm here, Rosie Serrato.
Oh, Rosie, that's right. I think I'm sorry. Someone said that before. Rosie, I got you. That's why I double checked. Rosie, I got here. Okay. Sorry, Rosie, you're here now. I have Crystal Ayampatakal, Edith Che Borges, Sherlyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Olivia Sandoval, Andy Tuma-Mate, and Quinlan Wilson. Are any of those people here? 7 of you absent. Remember, it's a minimum day, so the next class. So this class ends in 10 minutes. You guys know the you guys have the schedule, right? Oxnard High School schedule. I'm gonna show you the schedule real quick, then I'm gonna let you guys go. Okay, minimum day schedule. Remember, today's the minimum day schedule right here. So when's the next class? Minimum day, we in at 10:38. 10:46 is period 3. So in like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, 15, 16 minutes. 10:46 is period 3. Okay, you guys see that here? I'll put it up there. You guys need to take a picture of it. And remember, next week, we start at like noon or something like that. You guys start at like 12:30, okay? Next week, don't forget, you're going to come into class. Some of you are going to come in and say, where's Sensei? Where's Sensei? It's a weird schedule. Just remember that next week. Anyway, 10:46, I'm going to get rid of this. All right. Go ahead and get out of here. I'll let you guys go. You guys were awesome. Sorry about the weird day. Sorry everything started weird. Bye, Angelina, Louie. Bye, Crystal Magallanes. Bye, Elias Ortega. Bye, Leitali. Bye, Angelina. Bye, Rosie. Bye, Alberto. Bye, Octavio. Bye, Nicholas. Look it. Bye, Edgar. All right. Does anyone have any questions, or are you all good? Bye, Tali. Hey, I'll set up the recording if you need it. Okay. I'll try to get that done soon. All right. Abigail, what's up? Do you have a question?
Yeah, I did. I had a question, but it was due to another class, and I was wondering if you can help me real quick.
Okay, well, let me see what Elias has real quick, and then see if he has a quick question, then I'll help you. What's up, Elias?
You told me to stay after class.
Oh, yeah, I just want to make sure you know that everything, the schedule's all good, right? You know that it's a minimum day today and everything?
Yeah, I forgot to check student view for the schedule.
No, it's just all confusing. The internet was down, so I came in late, too. Let me make sure I marked you here. Because I didn't see your name. Yeah, you're here. Okay. All right, you're good.
Okay, thank you.
All right, okay. I'll see you. Okay, hang on. Crystal just joined us. Okay, what's up, Abigail?
So for one of my assignments, I had to come up with my grades, but since you guys don't put it in student view and you guys only put it on Canvas, like you put it on Canvas,
Yeah.
my other teachers don't put it on student view until it's like the end of the quarter. So I was wondering if you can help me with the percentages to get like if it's an A or B.
For my grade? In my
For
class?
your grade and like my 2 other classes.
Well, what's your grade in my class? What percentage you got?
Let me check that right now.
And then I'll tell you what the grade is. I'll look too, but you should be able to see your grade, and
It says it's a 97.96.
so that's an A.
Okay.
But remember, you have the test tomorrow. Make sure you study for this test because that can bring your grade down a lot. Because you
Okay.
just did all the assignments.
Okay. And then can you help me with the other two because I don't know how to get it.
Yeah. Well, it should be on 97.9. So it's on isn't it on Synergy?
No,
Student View?
they don't put it up there until like the end of the quarter. Only one of my teachers does.
Well, then you have to ask them because I'm trying to think how else would we know their grade?
They give me the percentage. They don't.
Oh, okay. What is the percentage?
So